Hello. Welcome to a new video. Here we will take a home tour of Danielle's house. Using neutral colors in different rooms of your home can create a cohesive and relaxing atmosphere. Below we give you some tips on how to effectively incorporate neutral colors in each of the spaces mentioned. In the living room. In this large space, the neutral base color for the walls is beige, off-white. All textiles introduce different shades of neutrals, such as cream, taupe, or warm grays, especially in the upholstery of their furniture and cushions. Here you apply visual interest with textures such as a sisal rug, woven baskets, and linen curtains. To add charm, layering decorative pillows and blankets in muted tones of white, beige and soft pastels are a must. Finally, don't forget to incorporate details such as accessories on the coffee table. Fireplace and consoles add a touch of elegance. Dining room. The walls of one follow the same color because it is an open space where the living room, dining room and kitchen meet. The light wood finish table is rustic with matching neutral colored chairs upholstered in light beige tones. Another idea to add interest is with a neutral colored rug under the table with a pattern or texture. Complement the space with white or cream table linens, neutral colored tableware, and a centerpiece of dried flowers or greenery without forgetting furniture to display tiles and other accessories. In the kitchen, walls are kept in the same warm neutral color with white painted wood cabinets for a clean and airy look. Light-colored countertops and backsplashes were also used, but black appliances were incorporated to provide an elegant contrast to the neutral colors. What do you think of the accessories? Those details like white or cream-colored plates, glass jars with wooden lids and dishes in neutral tones. In the bathroom, the neutral color palette for the tiles, such as white, beige or light gray, continues to be the touch of this home, but what about a rustic background like bricks? A white or light-colored vanity and countertop can only stand out by adding warmth with accessories like a wood-framed mirror, bamboo storage baskets, or a natural fiber bath mat. I also used white or cream-colored towels and a shower curtain to achieve a clean, spa-like feeling. And don't forget to accentuate with plants or small baskets to add a fresh touch. In the bedrooms, stick with the same color to paint the walls in a warm and inviting neutral color, such as soft beige, creamy white, or light gray. Why opt for bedding in neutral tones, such as off-white, light taupe, or pale blue? The most important thing is to layer different textures with cushions and a thick knit blanket. Additionally, incorporate soft lighting with neutral-colored lampshades or bedside lamps. And to add depth to the space, place wooden furniture in light or medium tone finishes. I hope you enjoyed this video as much as I did making it. Leave me a comment. Thank you very much for watching the video.